First up, you're going to draw a straight line across your page, followed by the top lip. So you want this to kind of look like a soft M as your arch. And then you'll move to the edge of the lip and join that with a bit of a semicircle. The lower you go down, the more full the lip will look down the bottom. After this, come in from the sides, dip slightly underneath the line, and then come up to make a semicircle, to then dip back down underneath the line and join up your top lip. Now for the bottom lip. The wider you make this line, the more open the mouth will look. So the smaller you make it, the more closed and pouty it's gonna look. So it's completely up to you in what you wanna do. Then you're gonna take your lightest Copic marker, or if you're using pencils, use your lightest pencil, and just give it a nice full covering. Take the medium color and just work that in from the sides. So this is to create the depth. I would suggest treating each top and bottom lip like almost like an elongated sphere. So you want to go from dark to light to create that 3D look. So you want to take your lightest color, give it a full coverage, and then take your medium color, work in from the edges and around where the mouth meets, and then you'll take your darkest color and work just around the edges to give that extra definition. You can leave it like this, or you can bring some pencils in and basically do the same thing again. We're really trying to build up a 3D look here. And if you look in the mirror, you can kind of see where the shadows form on the lips. I'm going to insert a sphere here so that you can see kind of what we're aiming for these to look like. So after I've added the darker color, I'm adding a lighter pencil to blend everything in together. And I always go around everything with black. Again, this is up to personal preference, so you might like to keep it with just color. So that's it. That's a pretty simple, easy way to draw lips. I would suggest just having a go and seeing what works for you. You can try opening the mouth wider, bringing the lines up on the edges to make it smile. And if you enjoy these videos, I would love for you to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.